footing. Looks like a chub. Ouch. Oh, there we go. There's a nice fish. It's a brookie. I think. Oh, it's a nice brown. Oh, that's okay, buddy. Don't get off. Don't get off. Ah, whoa! He did not like that, ladies and gents. Okay. Nice fish. 13, 14. And we're on. We're finally on. Wow. Took a long time. 5, 6. Trout everywhere in here. When you know that you have a chance to get some fish. Oh, there's a brook. Yeah. Another brook. No, it's a brown. Pretty brown. Wet in hands. Oh, there he goes. Catch and release, baby. All right, so we got 6 to 7 with one oh, dude, there's a bunch of fish right there. Shit. Look at them all. Damn it. Ah, there you go. You just took my whole skirt off. Oh, gotcha. And there he goes. So that is 8. It's like fishing above a dam. Down through there. You got, that's a weird looking brown. Look at him. Ah, come on, buddy. Ow, ow. Silver. Ah, he's brown. He's a brown. All right, we got 7 to 8. 7 to 8 brookies over browns. Ah. Look at this guy. Oh, he's nice. Nice brown. I don't know, 12? Something like that. Yeah, I'd say 12 maybe. Oh, 13. Bigger, getting bigger. Nice. Nice fish. Now it's heating up, baby. Okay. That's 4. It's the water. It's the better quality water finally. Ah. Ah. Look at this guy. Oh, he's nice. Nice brown. I don't know, 12? Something like that. Yeah, I'd say 12 maybe. Oh, 13. Bigger, getting bigger. Nice. Nice fish. Now it's heating up, baby. Okay. That's 4. It's the water. It's the better quality water finally. Ah. That was a cut crusher, by the way. Came out from under the bank here. Oh, oh, that's a big one. Which way is he going? He's big. He's big. You want to get him to go. You want to get him. Turn his head. You're not gonna get him in like this. There you go. Whew. Look, he popped right off as soon as I got him in. There's a nice one finally, ladies and gents. Okay. All right. Finally got a decent fish. So, without further ado, we're gonna try to keep him in the water for one. This rarely works out though. It rarely works out. Oh, we're okay. All right. Good fish. Good fish. I would say maybe 15, 16. I don't know. Where's my pole? Oh, right here. Okay. Take a look. I didn't put this on there the right way, so you can never see where it actually is. How big is he? Ah! Oh! Almost got a measurement on him. Come on, buddy. Oh! Oh! Ah. God damn it, no, I cut my fucking finger open. Dropped my pole in the fucking water. Ah. See? I always try, dude. Okay. Come on, quit being a douchebag, you fucking cunt. Alright. Alright. How big is he? A big fat 15 that you're never gonna see because it looks like I'm handling like dog shit. Okay. Ah. Look at that guy just a shaking of his head. Wow. Good colors on this one. He's been sitting under there for a while. Look at him. Beautiful. 11. Let's just use the two that work. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Should put him in the net, dude. Fucking bottle, dude. Oh God. Yeah, I still had a fall. Come on. There's gotta be something. God damn it. How about in here? Alright. Well, it's probably in the way though. Alright. It is. Okay, let's go like this then. Okay. Oh, fuck, we can't do that either. Can we? No. No, we have to go like this. God damn it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now we're going like that. All right. Why is it have to hurt so fucking bad, you fucking son of bitches. Son of a bitches. Okay. Well, there's a brook. Okay. That's what the... Oh, you son of a... Just got hit with something. Why is that so dumb? Okay. All right. Okay. Fucking goddamn hemostats again. Right where I got my fucking goddamn hand. Is there anywhere to put this cunt? Holy fucking bullshit, dude. My God. Talk about bullshit. Oh my God. This fucking shit. God damn. Oh. It's gonna drive me fucking absolutely insane. Ah, there's one. All right, get over here, buddy. Holy shit. Oh, look at that fish. It's a nice one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at that guy. Look at that fish. Oh, look at that one. Oh, there he goes. Wow. Uh-oh. 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 I don't know what happened here. Okay. And I see another problem here. Another problem with my keys. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, I see a problem. Okay. Another problem I'm gonna do with these fucking keys is see if I can find something inside. Maybe. There we go. There we go. There. There you go. Oh my God. Okay. For one, it's on the wrong fucking side. Okay. That was a nice brook. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a nice one. Wow. Another nice one. My God. The size of that fish. All right, get over here. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Oh, I got you. I got you, buddy. I got you. Holy cow. Ah, motherfucker. Sorry. Ah. Come on. All right. 26. Wow. That's healthy fish. That would have been one to cook and catch and cook. Wow. There you go, people. Beautiful fish. And there he goes. So, yeah. 16, number 7. You get that big one to hit or what? Not anymore. my God, that's 10,000 times worse. That's instant pain. God bless it, that was the big one. That was the big one. He still almost took it. God damn, bless it. He almost took it third time. Well, unless there's a couple big ones, which there probably is. Shit. God bless it. I mean, wow. I had like 3 or 4 big ones just nail it, and I missed them all. I don't know what to do. Oh my God. What am I gonna do? This motherfucker hurts so bad.